Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can watch movies with friends online on phone using Discord. So let's start. Alright, so I have Discord already running here. And as you can see, if I join a server, I don't have the option to share my screen or stream a video. So what you can actually do is join Discord's official testers server. So to do this, go to your direct message and here, go to Discord's testers server and then you can click on join. So you can wait for about 10 minutes before they make you an official member. Alright, now once you do that, you can go ahead and go to voice channels and tap on join voice, and here you will have a new button. Now if you tap on this one, it is going to allow you to share your screen. Now you can open a movie and share it with Discord. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.